Dear students, welcome to Grammar Point. Today we will be tackling a grammar topic, models of advice. We all sometimes need a little bit of advice or suggestion from family, friends and partners. In English, we have lot of different ways to give advice or suggestion. The common modal verbs used to give advice or suggestion in English are shall, should, can, could, will, would, may, might, must, ought to, had better, etc. We usually use these modal verbs not only to give advice or suggest, but to propose, to criticize, to give warnings, to propose, to recommend, etc. Before getting to the meaning and how to use these modal verbs, let us see the grammaticality of using these modal verbs in a given conversation. For time being, we will discuss only 4 modal verbs. They are had better, may, could and should. Are you ready? Let's start.
Dear children, may I ask you a question? Do you find English grammar part difficult? Many among you will be answering in mind, yes, of course, it's really difficult. But it is not actually as difficult as you think. Shall we discuss a simple grammar topic in this class? Can I ask you one more question? Do you like advice? No, not at all. Definitely that would be the answer. Do we need advice? Sometimes, yes. Children, we need advice and give advice. Let's see how can we give advice or suggestion using may, had better, could and should. Look at these sentences. May I come in? She could do that. Here, may and could are modal verbs, also called modal auxiliary verbs. So what's a modal verb? Modal verbs are helping verbs that combine with another verb to indicate mood, and they always come before the main verb. We usually use these modal verbs to give advice and request. We can also use them to suggest, encourage, recommend, criticize, propose and express opinion. Giving advice using may, had better, could and should. May as a modal verb is most commonly used to express request, permission, suggestion, possibility, prohibition and express wishes or happiness. While giving request or permission, may is usually followed by I. Look at these examples. For request and permission, may I use your book? May I sit here? Prohibition, you may not step on the grass. Possibility, it may rain or it may not rain. We can't predict. Express wishes or happiness. May the new year bring you happiness. May God bless you.
Now let's see 2 more examples using may. May I have some water? You may do as you wish.
Had better. How to use had better? Look at this example. You had better consult the doctor. It means if you don't consult the doctor, there will be some problem or danger. Here, had better is used to give advice or suggestion in a particular situation. Now read the second example. Mary, you had better meet the principal. Here, it is better for Mary to meet the principal today or tomorrow. The verb had is a past tense verb, but when we use it in had better, the meaning is present or future. Now, look at this example. You had better not come now. She had better go now. After had better, use base form of the verb. Here, come and go are the base verbs. How to use not or negation in had better? Look at this example. We had not better go now. We had better not go now. First sentence is wrong. Why? Because we shouldn't put not between had and better. Use negation only after had better. Then contracted form of had better. I had better as I'd better. She had better as she'd better. They had better as they'd better. We had better as we'd better.
Now let's see two more examples using had better. We had better not miss the start of the movie. You had better buy this bag.
Could. Could is the past tense of can and it is more polite than can. Could as a modal verb is used to give request, permission, suggestion, to show ability and predict possibility. Let's go through some example using could in different situations. Request. Could you help me? Possibility. Unless you studied well, you couldn't score good marks. Ability. I could play cricket when I was a child. It shows past ability. I couldn't play cricket now. Permission. Could I use your mobile phone? Suggestion. I could help you with English. Okay, students, one simple activity for you to do. Rearrange the jumbled words to create a request using could. I, talk, could, manager, your, to.
Friends, now let's see two more examples using could. Could you lend me this book? Could we go home now?
Should. How to use should? Look at these examples. I think you should meet the teacher. Oh, I think you should watch Safari channel. It's interesting. In these sentences, should is used for strong recommendation and expressing opinion. Because I am watching Safari channel and for me it is quite interesting, so I recommend you to watch it. Look, another set of example. People should always be kind and respectful. You should tell truth. Here, should is used to give advice in general. You shouldn't smoke here because this is a public place and you are not allowed to smoke. It is an offense. Here, should is used to show socially acceptable behavior.
Now, let's see two more examples using should. I've got a cold. What can I do? Oh, I think you should consult the doctor.
Could versus should. Remember, just because you could do something doesn't mean you should do that. Example, I could rob a bank. It's possible for me to do it, but should I? No, of course not. I could jump out of a plane without a parachute. It's possible for me to do it, but should I? No, of course not. It means you could do something, but you shouldn't do that.
Now friends, look at this image. I could go out without a mask, but I shouldn't. So friends, wear mask and be safe. With this, we conclude. Thank you.
Dear students, these are only a few examples for model verbs. Try to make your own sentences. Hope you like the class.